Welcome back to English Nest Podcast, everyone. Today we're talking about small talk at work.
Oh, this is a good one, Emma. You know, that little chat before a meeting starts, or when you're waiting for the coffee machine?
Exactly, Jack. That awkward silence in the elevator, or standing next to a coworker not knowing what to say.
Oh, I know that feeling so well. Your mind just goes blank.
Right? So today, we're going to give you easy, natural phrases for exactly those moments.
Perfect for the office, but honestly, you can use these anywhere. With a neighbor, a classmate, anyone.
Good point. Okay, let's start with the very first thing. Walking in and greeting someone.
Simple but important. You can just say, "Hey, how's it going?"
Or, morning, how are you today? Nice and warm, nothing complicated.
And here's a tip. The answer doesn't need to be long. Good, thanks. You? That's it. That's a full answer.
Yes! Learners sometimes think they need a whole story. You really don't.
Just keep it light. Not bad, thanks. Or pretty good, actually. Both work perfectly.
Okay, now imagine it's Monday morning. What's the classic small talk topic?
Oh, easy. The weekend. Hey, how was your weekend?
So common, right? And you can answer with something simple like, pretty good, thanks. I just relaxed at home.
Or if something fun happened, it was great, actually. I went hiking with some friends.
And then, this is key, you ask it back. How about you? Did you do anything nice?
That little question, asking it back, that's what makes it a real conversation, not just an interview.
Great way to put it, Jack. Now, let's talk about coffee breaks. What do people usually chat about there?
Honestly, the weather. It sounds boring, but it really works as an icebreaker.
You can say something like, can you believe this rain? It just won't stop.
Or on a nice day, beautiful day today, isn't it? Perfect for a walk at lunch.
And the other person usually just agrees and adds a little bit. I know, right? I almost forgot my umbrella this morning.
See, nobody's really talking about the weather. It's just a friendly way to connect for a second.
Exactly. Small talk isn't really about the topic. It's about being warm and friendly.
Good point. Now, let's say you're waiting for a meeting to start. Everyone's just sitting there quietly.
Oh, that silence is so uncomfortable. Someone always has to break it.
You can say, "So, busy week so far?" That's a really natural one for the office.
Or, are you working on anything interesting these days? That shows real interest too.
And if someone asks you that, you can just say, "Yeah, pretty busy actually. We've got a big project coming up."
Nice. Now here's another common one. Complimenting something small, like coffee or lunch.
Oh, yes. That coffee smells amazing. Where did you get it?
Or, is that from the new place downstairs? I've been wanting to try it.
Little compliments like that open the door for a nice, easy chat.
Absolutely. Now, Jack, what about when you want to end the small talk politely? Because meetings do need to start eventually.
Right, good question. You can say, "Well, I should get back to my desk. Talk to you later."
Or simply, anyway, I better run. Have a good one.
Have a good one is such a natural way to say goodbye at work. Very common.
It really is. And if the meeting is starting, you might say, Oh, looks like we're starting. Let's catch up later.
Perfect. Friendly, but it clearly ends the conversation without being rude.
Now, let's practice a tiny dialogue together. Just to bring it all together.
Okay, I'll go first. Hey, Emma. Morning. How's it going?
Hey, Jack. Pretty good, thanks. How about you? How was your weekend?
It was nice, actually. Went to my sister's for dinner. What about you? Do anything fun?
Oh, just relaxed at home mostly. Can you believe this weather, though? So gray outside.
I know. I almost brought my umbrella today. Anyway, I should get back to my desk. Talk soon.
Sounds good. Have a good one. See? That was easy, right?
Really easy. And you can literally hear the pattern. Greeting, a question, a small comment, and a nice goodbye.
That's really the whole formula for small talk. Once you know it, you can use it anywhere.
All right, let's do a quick recap for everyone before we go.
Great idea. First, for greetings, we've got, "Hey, how's it going?" and "Morning, how are you today?"
For weekend chat, how was your weekend? And remember, always ask it back too.
For coffee breaks, talking about weather works well. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Before meetings, try busy week so far, or are you working on anything interesting?
And for a friendly goodbye, "I should get back to my desk." Or simply, "Have a good one."
Simple phrases, but they really make you sound warm and, honestly, like a native speaker.
That's it for today's episode, everyone. We really hope this helps you feel more confident at work.
Try using just one of these phrases tomorrow, maybe with a coworker or even a neighbor.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to English Nest Podcast.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode. We've got some great ones coming up.
Thanks so much for spending this time with us in the nest today.
See you next time, everyone. Take care and keep practicing.